Hello, welcome back to LeetCode Daily Live, where I do the LeetCode Daily question raw and uncut. So let's get started. So we have another medium today. It's count total number of colored cells. Let's see what it wants. So we're actually only given one integer this time. So I'm guessing it is some kind of math question, maybe. Yeah. So let's see. Right. So it kind of grows out. Okay. Let's just read this. So infinitely large two-dimensional grid of uncolored unit cells. So given positive integer n, so that will be like n minutes. First minute. So the first minute we have one color. Every minute we want to add color blue every uncolored. Right, I mean like it just means that like whenever there's an adjacent uncolored cell in the previous minute, the next minute you want to color that. So we want to return the number of colored cells at the end of n minutes. So let's just look at some pattern. So so it is going to grow like out like this, right? So let's get to the drawing board. So so we will have like one at the beginning, and then we should have like a shape like this. And then, well, how do we add the next thing? It's like adding this here, right? So what does that mean? That means, yeah, so like the shape is after 3 minutes, right? The shape is after 3 minutes. The shape is one, then we have this as two. Yeah, I can, so this is just pattern recognition. So we have so the the middle column is going to have well 2n minus 1 things like just by looking at the pattern, and then we have well n minus 1 columns on both sides. So what would that look like? It should be 1 plus 3 plus, well, all the way to 2n minus 1, and then it goes back down, so 2n minus 3 plus 3 plus 1. So you just have to find a formula for this, and we should be done. Well, technically we don't even have to find a formula for this. We can just do an ON solution, but let's make it a bit nicer, I guess. So that means we have so we can use the arithmetic formula again, of course. So that would be the first item plus the last item times the number of elements. So how many elements are here? Well, we can just count the number of columns for the corresponding n, right? Well, it will just be n divided by 2. But then we actually want to multiply by 2 because we have another, like we basically have the same arithmetic sequence here. But then we just have to do 2n minus 1 at the end, like because we counted this twice. Yeah, so let's just code this out, and then should be done. So that means we want to return. Well, it's actually it's just 2n, 2 times n. Yeah, because here we have 1 minus 1 and we have 2n, so it will be n squared. This gets cancelled out. So it should just be 2 times n squared minus 2 times n minus 1. I think that's the formula. Looks like it. Done. Yeah, so again, another math problem. It's pretty simple, I think. It's just like recognizing the pattern. So yeah, there's not much else you can do for this. Like I think DFS would be too slow. Like BFS would definitely be too slow. Yeah, but yeah, there's not much I can say about this. It's a pretty straightforward problem, Yeah, so thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.